Good morning to one and all. I'm Dr. Sumika, an associate professor from the Department of Computer Science and Engineering. Today we are going to discuss all about a case study on software engineering. We have taken a small case study based on a given application for a Spotify. Let us have a small discussion regarding that, and we can discuss about the results and challenges, and what are the basic features to be added up. How can we narrow down our case study on this Agile software engineering for the Spotify application development.
Today we are going to discuss a fascinating topic in Agile software development, like again studying Spotify. Let's see what is Agile software in a definition. Agile software development is a future and flexibility teamwork where everyone can split their works. Let us consider in this case study, we are going to speak about the Spotify company. Before the Agile development, all of them were working in the same project in the same server, so that it creates many problems and keywords cannot be defined in this world. So Spotify adapted into Agile, not by book. They are improved in setting features for everything like playback error. And Agile software, everyone is not working in a waterfall method. They are separate and giving response to every feedback that is receiving. In particular, let us consider the error of playback and scrolling through next song. In the error, maybe the error occurs in the addition of few. If you add new songs, means it will create a new error. So we can able, if a whole team works on a single project at a single server, means they can able to give us a correct output in a reasonable time. If they split their works and the works in the effect work means they will use the effective way in Spotify, and they can able to respond to the customer feedbacks within a few minutes and able to fix more bugs in the.
We discussed that the next step will be the Agile software framework to the Spotify. Then the structure and the framework will be discussed. There are the four categories, and one is squads, another one is tribes, and another one is chapters, and the last one is guilds. There are the most frameworks to use to the Spotify and work on the Spotify in background and the framework of Agile software. Then the guilds is a small and the mini, like a mini startups to the implemented to this software, and this tool will be used. Then will be the guilds. Guilds are sharing the information and to the one source to another to the network-based systems, and then the information will be shared to the chapter that are splitting to one by one into chapter 2 wise. To the source will be connected to the one node to another to connect the nodes. Then will be guilds. Guilds are voluntary requirements to the give the communications, and what are the requirements are included in the Spotify to the user communication friendly. Then the user can be, these four categories are used to visualize and animated in the UI interface designed to work for the Agile software to work to the framework department. Then the framework is user to understand the user friendly. That's all.
I'm going to talk about Agile software engineering practices and tools used in the Spotify. They included two sprint cycles, which includes daily startup problems, which included in the user feedback, and also they conducted team meetings, which includes discussion about the Spotify updates and features to improve, and also they conducted collaboration with some other software, which included inside the Spotify. And coming to the tools used, they used Slack for the communication purpose, and also used Tero, which includes the software which is needed for the Spotify. And they used, as we all know, they used GitHub for the code replacement and editing. So, and the features included inside the Spotify is very transparent and clearly understandable for the user. So, the users can be able to easily deliver about their feedback on their according to the Spotify usage. So, it is a benefit point for the Spotify company for their continuous improvement and growth. So, feedback of the users plays a major role. And the advantages of the practices and tools include as I mentioned before, they use the transparent model, which is very comfortable for the users to interact with them. So, and also they use some new software and technologies, which is very useful for the users to get interact with the Spotify app.
Okay, fine. Now Kavi Krishna will discuss about the result and challenges.
Hello, now coming to the results and challenges in the Agile software. After using the Agile, Spotify cycles spread out. Now, before the using Agile software, they used to update the app monthly or yearly, but now they give updates daily or weekly. Developers have full independence to use the software and update it, but it wasn't all perfect because the Spotify developers were going in the various directions, so they decided to control that. So they introduced OKRs in that. By using this, they use the developers to daily check-ins.
I'm here to speak about the key points used in Agile software, which is used in the Spotify app. As Mutigan said, Spotify uses Agile software, which makes the Spotify app to work seamlessly and it makes user friendly. You all might have used the Spotify app, I guess. Spotify app works seamlessly because it uses Agile software. And Spotify app always lets user feedback to give an update and make it user friendly. As Kavi Krishnan spoke about results and challenges, where he addressed that Spotify apps often give a user updates to make it user friendly and work seamlessly.
At this point, Spotify's Agile journey shows that software development is not just about setting a process, it's about building a strong mindset. They have created their own Agile version using chapters and types, useful for smaller work teams working independently, going with the flow with the company's goals. Spotify have achieved great goals due to their flexibility and learning consistently, and they are made inspired Netflix and other social media.
Okay, I hope you are clear with this concept of a case study on software engineering. By using a Spotify applications we have taken and we have a small discussion regarding that. If you really like this video, please subscribe our video. Thank you.